when you realise that the future of your house depends on whether it's riddled with asbestos, and you get testing, and this week we're going to find out exactly how much asbestos is in that cottage. But if you're really sensible, then of course you get the professionals in to do it for you. Oh yeah. So this is exciting today because we're about to start work on the first proper room. It's going to be a full back to plaster renovation, and that's our bedroom. So I'll just show you the room, which you'll have seen before. But we're going to take the wallpaper off the walls, which actually looks like it might put up a bit of a fight because it's quite modern, shiny, textured wallpaper. So, ooh, and you can leave fingerprints on it as well. That's a bit weird. Yeah, going to get that off. We've got a fireplace here, which we think was originally in the house and showed up at a local auction house. So we bought that, and we're going to see if it fits this fireplace here. So I'm going to be opening that up, getting all of the gunk out of it and cleaning it up, and seeing what's left in there, seeing what's behind it all. And then these curtains, which we really like these curtains actually. They've been a bit sun damaged, but we'd love to restore those. So I'm going to take those down, and Noel's going to go and see whether a curtain expert can help us do something with those. So a busy couple of days, quite a lot of work to do. Bess is here to help me, guarding over the vacuum cleaner, which is her mortal enemy. And yeah, hope you enjoy. Reline those and they could be good curtains again. Okay, so the mask is out or on. The crowbars are at the ready. Let's see what's behind this fireplace. Buckle up. Well, it's a bit of woodworm. If you can see down there. Bloody hell. That's why you're supposed to wear steel toe cap boots when you do this sort of job. Luckily I've got another foot. Wow, sheesh. So what is in here does not look very exciting. There's an old wasp nest by the looks of things there. Well, I bought like a bin liner. I think I'm going to need a bigger bag than that. Let me show you what's up there. I'm not sure if you can see anything. A lot of spiders' webs. Oh! You can see the back of the fireplace there. Coming through. Alright, so I think I need to get some buckets, rubble buckets, to get rid of this. There's the old corrugated shed roof, the roof sarking boards in the cottage, the Artex ceiling, the area around the fire, the jointing compounds in the concrete panels. In the main house there is the pegboard roof in the extension, old pipe lagging, the old vinyl tiles in the hallway. So at the end of the video we'll reveal all of the results and whether we've got a demolition project or a restoration project at the cottage. So that was a pretty disgusting job yesterday. It's very dirty and a lot of lifting, but we've got it done, which is brilliant. And it looks amazing actually, like the stone at the back. I love the stone and the lime mortar. But yeah, at least that filthy job is finished, and yeah, all the tons of rubble are downstairs and in the skip. So yeah, cool. So today the experiment is going to be whether the dry scraper on this side of the wall is faster than soaking the paper with a hose and getting it absolutely drenched, and then hopefully it peels off easily. So which one of those is going to be the quickest, easiest solution? So I've got about an hour to play with. We'll see where we get to. Yeah, so that was faster than I expected it to be. This paper's actually really quite good, and I think the lime underneath, the plaster, is just in amazing condition actually from what I was expecting it to be. Oh, it's certainly easier when it's wet. I think it might just need a bit longer to soak in and just loosen the adhesive. Oh yeah. Oh, if nothing else, this is really going to save my shoulders and a lot of pain in the morning. So I think it's water all the way. So this is very interesting, right? So underneath here is the crack that connects to the big crack downstairs in the dining room, which obviously isn't a great thing to have. But what's really reassuring is that you can see this paper must have been on for 50 years, maybe even longer than 50 years, because it's such old style paper. But this filler has gone on underneath it, and there's just the tiniest gap. It's like an old, like maybe just polyfiller or something, but it's not moved in a long time. So that's it. The job is, well, this job at least is finished. The fireplace has been emptied out and cleared and kind of revealed. The fireplace that we bought fits in nicely, so that's a real win. And then, yeah, the wallpaper just came off so much more easy than I expected it to, and the walls underneath are just actually pretty good condition. You can see how they've been sort of smoothed and filled over the years, and even this big crack up the wall really has not moved a lot in 75 years, so that's really reassuring. That is a pretty good job done, I would say. But yeah, what I love is that these dates just tell a really interesting story. So 1901, it was decorated or wallpapered. Then again by the same person in 1931, maybe 1937. But I would guess that the 1901 is the original owners who built the house for the family and that they had it decorated. So what I love about this as well is 1952 would be the year that the parents of the chap who sold the house to us, they would have moved in probably before they had kids. Maybe they had one child, I'm not sure. But yeah, bursting with energy, fresh out of the Second World War and full of ideas to modernise the house. And even though it's a shame for us not to have the original features, you can kind of see the vision for them. They bought a brand new house, they're starting a family, they're taking out all the old Victorian fireplaces and replacing them with modern, new, sleek sort of surrounds. And yeah, what an exciting time for them, and amazing to reveal it 72 years later. So yeah, that's a really interesting job. And next is to try and tackle the ceiling, which maybe will be a bit more forgiving than I first feared. But yeah, this project is definitely started. So thank you for watching.